अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 25. A solid metallic block of dimension 15 cm into 10 cm into 5 cm have a cylindrical hole of diameter 7 cm. Find the surface area of the remaining block. Now look at this figure. You can see there is a cuboid, and in that cuboid we have drilled one cylindrical hole. Okay, and we have to calculate the surface area of the remaining block. Now in such case, what you can do, you can imagine this figure and just imagine which area you can paint. Area you can paint is the required answer. So first of all, we will calculate the total surface area of the cuboid, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. If you substitute the value, you will get 550 square centimeter. Then we will calculate the curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi RH. That will give you 110 square centimeter. Then you can see this drilling of hole have actually removed the top and bottom areas. Those are circular areas. Let's call them holes, okay? So the area of those hole openings will be 2 pi r square, that is 77 square centimeter. Now look closely. What we will do, first of all, from the total surface area of the cuboid, we can subtract these holes because that area is removed, and we can add the curved surface area of the hole, that cylindrical part. Okay, so that will give you the total area. Got it? So that will be 550 total surface area of the cuboid minus 77 hole areas plus 110 curved surface area of the cylinder. That will give you 583 square centimeter. That's the answer.